You have to understand, they give out DWIs like it's candy on Halloween. Do you know why? We lead the nation per capita in fatalities with alcohol-related collisions. Don't become a statistic. One button on a phone, one button, $30. An Uber will take you wherever you want to go. Use it. All right, take a seat. All right, thank you. Mr. Johnson, you're charged with driving while intoxicated, first offense. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow, so you were facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You're also charged with failure to stop and give information on that one. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You are making a lifetime decision today. You are making the decision where both of these cases are going on your record today. You need to understand that this will have severe consequences in the fact that if you get pulled over, an officer is going to see this. If they come up to your car and they smell alcohol, they smell weed, they smell anything funky, it's probably not going to go well. So don't give them the tools. You know what I mean? It's really easy with one button on a phone. $30 will take you anywhere you want to go with an Uber. It's so much easier, you know? You have to understand that what we're doing today, this proverbial slap on the wrist, I mean, from now on, you're facing a minimum of 90 days in jail on a DWI. Do you understand? All right. You're giving up many rights. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law, and give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, it will go on your record. You can never take it off. This is what you want to do. How do you plead to the offense of both of the cases? I will find you guilty and I will sentence you on the DWI to 6 days in jail, credit for the 2 days that you've done. And on the failure to stop and give information, I will sentence you to 12 days in jail, credit for the 4 days that you've done.
Should be 6 and 6.
No, it's 12 and 4 and 6 and 2.
You didn't see that?
I think it's same thing either way, right?
It's time served.
Yeah, it's time served.
Okay,
It
well,
doesn't
I'm
matter.
sorry, I didn't see that on the paper.
You know-
That's my bad.
You're allowed to make mistakes every once in a while, right? But if you continue to make the same mistake when you endanger other people's lives, there are very serious consequences. There's a surcharge of $3,500 that would tack on this DWI. I'm going to roll it for you today. But you pick up another DWI, it's a $6,000 surcharge. Get a clue. It's not hard. I am going to suspend your license for 90 days.